All is well where there is angel. Rise high, like caterpillar to butterfly. Hello friends, I am Anvesha Datta. I welcome you all to the world of spirituality. Today, I will continue about chakras. You can say this is the part 3 of the chakras. My humble request to all of you, please watch part 1 and part 2 of chakras before this video if you have not watched yet. The link is in the description. Now let's begin. Today's topic is signs of blocked energy at each chakra. If you have been feeling less vital and less energetic or in an emotional pain, it's possible that you have a chakra that is blocked or stuck. Contrary to popular belief, chakras are not the newest thing in the yoga world, but rather an ancient system for understanding your body's energy. Let's talk about the first chakra, that is root chakra. Being depleted of first chakra, root chakra, energy feels like a survival crisis. You can't get grounded because you are stuck in your head. By contrast, if you have too much energy at the root, you can become greedy or excessive in behaviors. These are misguided attempts to get grounded. Now, come to the second chakra, that is sacral chakra. When someone is stuck in their sacral chakra, they struggle with being ruled by their emotions or the opposite of this, which is feeling numb or out of touch. There is also a correlation to sexual desire at this level. Creativity and pleasure are both found at this energetic level. Now, come to the third chakra, that is solar plexus chakra. This chakra is often considered the power center, and when out of balance, self-esteem may be low and decision making can feel out of control. Temper flare-ups are also common when energy is not flowing well here. Now come to the fourth chakra, that is heart chakra. The heart chakra, when flowing with energy, feels filled with love, compassion, forgiveness, and acceptance. When there is a blockage at this energy level, anger, jealousy, grief, or self hatred can be more prominent. Now, come to the fifth chakra, that is throat chakra. This chakra is the source of speaking your most authentic truth. When energy is blocked or low here, fear of not being accepted or of being judged becomes a problem. You might also feel out of touch with your opinions and desires and have challenge in making choices. Now, come to the sixth chakra, that is third eye chakra. The word ajna means beyond wisdom, and when this chakra is open, you experience expanded imagination, clairvoyance, and intuition. When there is a blockage at this level, there can be a tendency to be over involved in fantasy or imagination. Lack of focus or clouded judgment can also occur. Now, come to the seventh chakra, that is crown chakra. The crown chakra connects you to the wider universal energy. So, when this area has a block, isolation or emotional distress can occur. This may present as an inability to set or follow through on goals or an overall lack of direction and feelings of disconnection. I hope you all get an idea about chakra blockages. In my next video, that will be the part 4 video of the chakras, I will discuss about chakra cleansing, how to clean your chakras and free your energy. Thank you for joining me. this is all for today. See you all to my next video. Till then, take care. Stay healthy. Be happy. God loves you all. Archangel Michael loves you all.